Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start from where we left earlier. What we did for the recap, what we did last time is that we create a plugin which let user to log in without any credential, and today we are going to create a menu inside a dashboard so admin can create any key and send it to other users. So just let's go to the code without any further ado. Uh, so let's go to this. Yeah, okay. So this is our code that we left last time. Let's change the version as we are changing it. Version 2.0. So as you can see in here, we just initiate our plugin to add a particular menu in our admin. We need to add an action which will be like this. Okay, it will be not this, but okay, add action with admin menu, which is telling that it should this particular function that we are passing it will add menu to admin or the dashboard. So like that, add dashboard. Okay, so as we give the plugin a function name dashboard, let's go there, like function add dashboard, and in here we are going to add our menu page. So what would be this is that in here we need to give some parameters that we must need is that first title that we are going to see on page on click. So one click dashboard, the title would be inside this. So as you can see, plugins test, the title would be shown in here. So remember this. Then we need to give menu title. What would be the menu name, title of the menu that will show on the this side. So go there, on click, auto login. Okay, so on click login, let's click that, and now we can give capabilities that what we need. So I'm giving this add posts, so it can add a post. It means that it can edit anything. Then we need to give a menu slug or the URL which this particular plugin would operate, and make sure you give this a unique one uh, to not clash with other plugins. Then make a callback, which is on click callback function, which actually uh, show us our dashboard. So make it dash, not bash, dashboard. Recently I'm just working with the bash script, so in my mind it's all working like a bash script, so sorry guys. And then in here what you need to do is that you need to give what icon that you want to give. Okay, so not this. Okay, so let me show you the icons. So in here, if you can see, there are a lot of icons here. For the comments, you have this icon. For the plugins, you have this icon. For the users, you have this icon. So in for us, we also need icons. So you can go and search for dash icons, which is WordPress icon that it use. As we are using it for login, I'm going to choose this key icon, which is dashboard admin network. I'm going there and replace it. So if I did everything right, what it will do is that it will generate a menu in here which we can see. So restart that. Yes, as you can see, we have one click login in here, but if I click on there, I will not see any page, or I might see error here because our this particular function is not here. So let's click on that. I'll show you, and as you can see there are error that this function is not in, it can't find this function. So let's create this function. So to create this function, let's do that. Public function and one click. Okay, okay. Yeah, my auto login was, I mean, my autocomplete feature is faster than me, so I'm using that. You can give that, and if I just restart it, you will see, yeah, auto one click login. So this is where you can see your dashboard. Okay, and we are not just done yet. We need to create a form here, or any kind of button here which can generate a link, and we can see the link and the keys which we can use it. So let's go into our IDE. Okay, so as you know, we can't write all the HTML inside a function. It's not a very recommended way, and it's not very professional. So let's go here in our plugin folder, create a theme. So what it does is that it will in everything that we need to do with themes, designs, or the UI, we will need to do in here. So it will be really segregated. Let's create a dashboard.php, which will do heavy lifting for our UI, and in here we will let's, for example, let's copy that and paste it. Yeah, let's make it. Okay, if I remove that and now we need to include that page. How you can do that? For example, we first need to give get our plugin directory URL, no, directory path. Okay, yeah. Theme dashboard dot php, and let's include this, include once file. Yeah, there is okay, one click dot php. Yeah, okay, let me echo it. Yeah, maybe file is not getting. Mhm. Yeah, so as you can see, just okay. Let's go here. Okay, what am I doing wrong in here? Oh, okay, okay, okay. So we need to give a file one. So yeah, let's check. Yeah, it's working. I'm just doing it wrong. So yeah. So let's not make this include ones, make it require ones, because we don't want to do anything without that page loaded. So the page has been loaded. Yeah. Now let's create a full pages and function. Let me copy the whole design, and then let me show you how this is working. So okay, so I just copied it. Yeah. Let me show you. In here, as you can see, we have some of the function that if in this particular page on the particular dashboard we get post method with generate key, we are going to create it a random hex key which will be in numbers. So it will create a key, and then we are going to generate an unique ID which we assigned it to a particular name. So in that way, we are going to create an option which has this key and the value, and then uh, we show the whole success name in here. And then there is a one function which is doing is that it will see if there is any delete key in the get, and then if there is it will going to get the key of that, and then delete option, or delete it from the database, and it will show that it is deleted. And after that it will there is a one function which actually loads all the option in our variable all keys, and then we filter it that if all the keys in here has key underscore parameter. So you can change it as many as your way, or you can use in another database table which you create when you're whole plugin get activated. You can do that, but for our convenience I choose the WP option folder, option table, where we can store our keys. And in here, as you can see, there is a form which has a simple generate key, which will actually generate the particular key with name generate key that we showed here, a random key here. And in here, it will show you the list of keys that is available in here, with also the URL that we are going to use, and we can delete it from the delete button. Let me show you if it's working or not. I just paste it in here, so let's go there. Let's click on that. Okay, so we had a sweet button, and there should be a keys when we generate a key. So let's create that. Okay, so we successfully generated that. Let's generate another one so we can sure that it's working. Okay, so we have two keys which is completely different to each other. Let's go to different table, then go here. Okay, it's in database because it's persist. Let's delete this one, the last one, 9b. Let's see if it's working. If we're going to delete it, it's going to ask you confirmation, and then okay, yeah. So this whole thing is got deleted. Yeah, let's go here. Let's check if it's working or not. Yeah, okay. So in here we have a working uh, function where we can create a key and a value, and we had the link. Okay, we had the link, but we didn't even implement this particular feature where this key is working. And when, so what would be the expected behavior is that when I'm going to create paste it and get login to the dashboard, that particular key when I go to the this menu will not be there. Okay, so let's implement that feature in our plugin. Okay, so for that, let's just go here. Okay, we give the login auth ID user, but we also need to give a second step of verification, which is will be key. So let's make one of the key like one click key. Okay, and it will pass the key, which will, okay, not that, yeah, which will be the key, and this particular function would be the value. So we are going to check if both the thing is both the condition has been met, only then we are going to let them log in. So this has been done. Let's start that, and you can see there is one key with login auth user. Okay, let's change update our plugin so it can work with that. In here we actually make it with hard coded changes, so let's make it dynamical. So let's go there, get options, no, okay, get option, which means that from here we are going to take wp option value. So wp option, and here we're going to give a key, and the key would be, let me write that, the key would be get method. Okay, and with query of one click key, and here we are going to check if all the thing is working. So the check would be like, if the get option, which we are getting from the key from database, is equal to our get login auth id user. So yeah, okay, that's it, and now it will work as it working with other things. Okay, let's go there, let's reload that, and let's check if it's working or not. So in here we currently not make any authentic anything that it deletes this particular key, but let's just go there. It's Firefox, and here I'm not I didn't even even log in our WordPress. Let's check if it's working or not. Okay, so the dashboard is not logged in. Let's go here, enter it, and if everything is right, we are in. Okay, so right now we are in dashboard, but if you go there, you will see the key is still there. So we need to remove that. How you can do that? Just log out there, remove that, and go to our code. In here, when the login wp user has been done, and the redirection will be done, before the redirection, I'm going to delete option, which will also get the, okay, not here, let's not make this in here. When this has been done, let me make this delete option. If it's working, it will work in here. Okay, that's the key. So after the login WP user, so after the login and redirection has been done, this particular function will be fired. It will delete the key. So let's see if it's working or we need to change some things. Okay, go there, copy the link. Okay, just go here and restart that to check if we are logged in or not. We are not logged in. Let's enter it. We are inside our dashboard and go to the one click. Okay, so as you can see, there are no keys. It's working. Let's create another random key for two times. So okay. So let's copy it. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. We just did it. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if it's we copy it. We have only one key in here, and make it incognito 192. Just checking that if we are dead. Okay, we are not admin. Let's do that, and when we are enter it, we will see it can work. Yeah, so it's working. We are inside the dashboard, and if you go to the one click, there is no login. So that's how you can make a plugin which can help admin user to create a key which don't need username password to get logged in. and in that way you can build a page. So, guys, if you want the code, please comment it below. I will share the code, whole source code, so you can check it. And this is how you can make it. And let me give you an advice. This small type of specific plugins has more value. Many of the companies and the hosting platform want that. So if you do that, and if you make quite a good product with this small type of plugin, you will make a fortune. Believe it, it's really working, and it's really amazing. So please comment if you need source code of that, and any other thing. Please comment out if you need any topic, any tutorial on other topics. Please ping me and